Hey everyone, it's Messiah29 again, and today I will be showing you how to replace your Xbox One thumbstick just in case the rubberized grip comes off, which looks like this one right here. And as you can see, it's really hard to keep your thumb on versus once you have this one. So I bought a repair kit from Amazon just for $10. And I'm going to show you guys what's inside and how to fix this really quickly. So, this is a 4-pack of thumbsticks. You get a guitar pick, spudger, and you get a quick, small Phillips screwdriver here. And they also give you a T8 screwdriver. Let me show you what that's for. Get your controller, turn it around. Behind the battery, you're going to have the Microsoft sticker, which I recently removed. Take your little T8 screwdriver. Step 1, that's removed. You can either use now the guitar pick and slide between these edges and just bend it open, these little things. However, I don't like using a guitar pick. The spudger is a lot easier. So I start at the top and I work my way down. And you keep going all the way on the edges. You just bend it, and it snaps right off. Oh, not like that. I actually snapped it back shut. That's crazy. So, once again, you start from the top. Start from the top right here, and you work your way down. And it just flew off over there. Anyways, on to the next step. You do this for both. You work your way down. And it's pretty easy to snap off. These just snap back in. So you're gonna have 4 screwdrivers. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're halfway done. So you grab the blue one. Wait, this is the blue one. Nope, not the blue one. Sorry. Same black one. This one right here. And you continue. Okay. Okay, that's 2 screws, 2 more to go. Four screws. Now all you do is lift off the back, just like that. Okay. Now that the back is lifted off, you can now remove this whole section, turn it over. Here's your control sticks. So what you do, you just take the control stick, pull up. It removes just like that. You get your replacement. And you are going to match up this little rectangular part with this rectangular knob right here. So once it's matched up, let's see, let's get this back in the middle. Rectangular part, drop it on top, add some force, and there we go. It's put this back inside here. Let's see, my vibration thing fell out. Now I have to see how it looks like. Okay, it looks like this. There we go. There we go. That goes inside. And I'm also going to change the other one just because it's all dirty. So we just pull up. Get the second one. Again, you match the grooves with this piece right here. So match it up, drop it on top, and there we go. Good as new control sticks. So we just put these vibration things back inside, snap, snap, turn this over, and we drop it in place, and pretty much that's all it takes. Let's close this back up. Okay, start with the middle screw again. And it's not bad for just $10, guys. $10. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please check out my control drift fix, how to fix your control from drifting. In my other video, I know there's a lot of people who were asking questions on how to get it done. Oh, I think I just lost a screw. I think I just lost a screw, guys. Oh boy. Oh, I found it. Okay. Okay. This goes inside here. Okay. Let's see. Again, this is a really quick fix. I got tired of trying to just justify why would I buy a new controller if the thumbstick grips are gone. I'm just gonna spend $10 and get a 4-pack and just change both at the same time. Okay, snap on this last one here. It just snaps on. That's it. Grab the other one. A battery. And just like that. Brand new thumbsticks. I don't know why it looks all beat up, but wait, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's nothing. Anyways, look at that. Zoom in on this. Good as new. Got my grip. Good as new. Again, it looks beat up, but still. I don't know. Why does it look... Is that my lighting? Oh, it's the light. Psst, wow, that's stupid. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video of how to fix your control thumbstick replacement video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll try to bring you guys more videos, hopefully when that new Xbox One Series X comes out. Have a good one.